In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link SharePoint lists to Microsoft Access. By the end, you'll know how to connect your SharePoint data to Access so you can run queries, build forms and reports, and keep everything organized in one place. Start by opening Microsoft Access. Then open the database where you want your SharePoint data to live. If this file is important, it's a good idea to make a quick backup before you connect anything new, and make sure the database is in a trusted location so Access doesn't block content. Go to the External Data tab on the ribbon. This is where all important link tools live. Click New Data Source, then choose Online Services and pick SharePoint List. The wording can vary a little by version, but you're looking for the SharePoint List option under Online Sources. A wizard will appear and you'll see two choices. You can link to the data source by creating a linked table, or you can import the source data into a new table. Linking keeps Access and SharePoint in sync, so edits in either place reflect in the other, which is best for ongoing work. Importing takes a snapshot into Access for offline analysis or archival use. It won't sync back to SharePoint. If you plan to work with live data and share updates with your team, choose the link option. Access will create a linked table that points to the SharePoint list, and some complex SharePoint columns like lookups, people fields, or attachments may generate additional related tables so you can see the underlying values. Keep in mind, certain SharePoint columns, such as calculated fields, may be read only in Access. If you only need a point-in-time copy for reporting, choose the import option. This will create a regular Access table that won't change if the SharePoint list is updated later. Next, enter the URL of your SharePoint site. Use the site address rather than the specific list view. If you're not signed in yet, Access will prompt you. Sign in with an account that has permission to read or edit the lists you need. After Access connects, it will show you the available lists. Select the specific list or lists you want to work with and then click OK. Access will create the linked or imported tables in your navigation pane, typically using the SharePoint list names. Open a table to confirm your data looks right. You can rename tables in Access for clarity without affecting SharePoint, and you can start building queries, forms, or reports immediately. That's it. Your SharePoint lists are now connected to Microsoft Access.